what we're looking at is a credit building credit card that offers a line of credit up to $2,500. But what's the catch? So the credit builder we're looking at today is from a company called Ava. And before we start, I just want to say I really haven't even looked at this product yet. We're kind of going in it together. I've gotten a lot of comments asking me to do a review on this product, so I really didn't have the time to look at it before we're actually filming this. And I really hope it's not the company Ava itself asking me to do a review, because I don't do any reviews for companies or anything like that. With all that being said, let's get into it. All right, so we're here at the Ava Credit Builder, and it says, don't let your credit score hold you back. 74% of Ava members see a credit score improvement in less than 7 days. I don't know if that's true. Let's see here. Take your financial power back with no credit check, no interest, and no late fees. How it works. Step 1, sign up and link your bank account where your paycheck is typically deposited. Why am I doing that? Step 2, use your Ava Credit Builder MasterCard to pay your everyday bills and build your credit profile effortlessly. Okay. Step 3, make monthly payments to your Ava Save and Credit Builder account and get all your money back after your 12 or 24 month term. They kind of just threw that one in there. Watch your credit history take off. We'll report to all 3 major credit bureaus within 24 hours of each payment you make. So are these all different products? So I'm assuming these right here, the Ava Credit Builder account is a secured loan, and Ava Save is just a savings account, I guess. And this is a credit builder card. So let's continue here. How does the Ava Credit Builder work? The Ava Credit Builder card works like any other credit card, but has built-in features meant to help you spend responsibly and add credit history. With the credit limit of up to $2,500 and the ability to spend up to your spending limit on 60 plus online merchants approved by Ava. There are no hidden fees or interest charges for our products. We win when you have excellent credit, save money, and reach your financial goals. Wow, what an amazing app. My score went up 110 points in 1 month. I highly recommend. Score went up 90 points in the first couple weeks. Really, the only way that it is possible is if you're new to credit and have no credit history, right? A lot of times when you're new to credit, you might start out with a 580 credit score, maybe even a 600 credit score. And that first card you take out, you're going to take kind of a hit because, well, for 2 reasons really. A lot of times when you're new to credit, you don't know what credit cards to apply for that will actually approve you, and you might be denied for a few cards. So those hard credit pulls are going to lower your credit score. So once you finally find a card that's going to approve you and you have 30, 60 days of credit history, your credit score is going to bounce back not only from those hard credit pulls, but now you're showing credit history. So it is possible for your score to go up by 70 points, even 100 points, right? But that's if you're at the starting point of credit. If you already have 3-4 cards and you have a 650, 660 credit score, you won't see a lot of improvement there. You can find the full list of Ava approved online merchants here. So let's check out the approved merchants here. We couldn't secure the bag. The page you're looking for doesn't exist or has moved. All right, nah, it doesn't sound sketchy at all. Website under maintenance. All right, we're not off to a good start here. So look, if you have a broken link right here, page you're looking for doesn't exist or has moved. We click on the next link, shop or new store, and it says website under maintenance. Do you think for 1 second that I would enter or link my bank account where my paycheck is typically deposited? I was gonna do it for the sake of this video, but at this point, I don't know. Change my mind here, Ava. All right, let's go to merchants right here. Okay, so I guess maybe that link was just broken, but it's telling me the merchants that we're able to use this card at. So we have Canva, we have Amazon, AMC, Allstate, Netflix, Nintendo. My voice is kind of going. I've been recording videos all day. Tell you what, that's not a lot to choose from here. I don't understand why they limit it. If it's a quote unquote MasterCard, why only give you credit building on these products here? I would assume it's because they have some sort of back end deal with these guys. It's just weird that it's really limited. Trading View, what? I don't even know what that is. Random. Suggest a subscription. So I guess you can only use this for subscriptions, not really to actually purchase anything. It's weird. Like I said, I was gonna try this card out, enter all my information, but nah, I ain't doing that. So what's kind of misleading on a lot of these credit building products is if you don't have any experience with credit, you might think, well, it's a credit building product and Ava is magically raising my credit score. And that's not what's going on. What credit builders do is they're actually just reporting to the three major credit bureaus, Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. That's all they're doing. Anybody can do that. Any credit card, any loan, any mortgage, any car note, anybody can report to the three major credit bureaus. It's nothing special that these credit building products are doing, but they're advertising it as though they have some secret formula to actually building your credit, which is definitely 100% not the case. So whether you choose this product here, Ava, whether you choose Self, whether you choose Chime, whether you choose Dave, I mean, I can go on and on. They're pretty much all the same. All they're doing is reporting to the three major credit bureaus as on-time payment or late payment. And then the credit bureaus take it from there. But what separates each of these credit building products is the way they do it, whether it be Ava, whether it be Self, whether it be Chime, whether it be Cash App. There's a ton of different ones, right? The way they do it are all different because some of them are free, some of them charge a one-time fee, some of them charge a monthly fee. Some of the monthly fees are higher than others, but they all do the same things. All right, so annually it's saying $6 a month, $72 one-time fee. Or if we pay it just monthly, we just want to try it out and we decide to stay for that full year, comes out to $108. So either way, I would not pay $72 or $108. Wouldn't do it. Not for a credit builder. If you're looking for a free credit builder, try Chime. Not only can you receive a free credit builder, but you receive a free $100 when you sign up, set up direct deposit, and follow a few simple steps by clicking the link in my description. Okay, so the Ava card, approval, instant after ID verification. Okay, so not only am I giving them my bank account info, like routing number and account, I also have to do an ID verification, and y'all are giving me broken links. Yeah, I don't think so. All right, minimum credit score not required. Collateral, 0. Interest and fees, 0% with Ava subscription. Credit limit up to $2,500. Credit score improvement with on-time payments, 30 days. Score impact, high. Okay, so I don't even see why this would matter, this $2,500 credit limit, if you can only use it with certain online stores or the Ava store. I don't like that. So if you're trying to build or rebuild your credit and are considering a credit building product like this, I just like to ask you, what's in your credit report? Do you have any collections or negative items? If you do, a credit builder will not help you at all. That collection or negative item is going to keep your credit score anchored to the ground no matter what you do, unless you get them removed. So I have a credit repair course linked in the description if you want to check that out. I show you the best method, the best way to get those negative items and collections removed off your credit report to boost your credit score and finally be approved for those high limit credit cards, low APR loans, a new car, whatever you're trying to do with your credit that you couldn't do when you had that collection on your credit report. So be sure and check that out. Okay, so that's the Ava card. So let's go to the savings builder. All right, so all this is basically a secured loan, and it's not even telling you the max amount of that secured loan, but you're gonna be paying anywhere from $25 to $100 per month for 12 to 24 months to an invisible account pretty much. So you're gonna be giving them money, and at the end of those 12 or 24 months, when you pay that full loan back, you're able to access that money minus any interest or fees that they might charge. So I guess if you're using this just as a credit building product for paying your subscriptions and you're new to credit, I mean, it might work, but I wouldn't pay $6 or $9 a month for this service. Again, Chime Credit Builder is free, and there's a lot of other credit building products that charge a lot less or that are free that are worth checking out. So I went into this Ava card with high hopes because I thought that you'd actually get a $2,500 credit limit to rebuild your credit or build your credit with no credit history. And that's just not the case. So why am I even wasting my time showing you this video? Well, if you're looking for credit building products, you may have stumbled across this and are not sure whether to actually pull the trigger or move on to something else. And I'm just giving you my honest opinion of this Ava card, of this Ava credit building product. It's probably something that I personally wouldn't try. Like I said, I'd actually try Chime first. If you don't like Chime for whatever reason, try another card. Try another credit building product that doesn't cost as much or that's free and that you can use anywhere. I really don't like credit building products like this that you can only use at their quote unquote store, or you can only use with certain vendors. Or cool, yeah, let me use this at certain vendors or at your store, but don't charge me $6, $9 a month to use it. So be sure and try Chime, linked in the description. So I want to thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Links in the description. See you next time.